In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a progress tracking column in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com board where you manage your tasks, projects, or workflow. This is the board where you want to measure how much work has been completed over time. Once you're inside the correct board, take a quick look at the columns you already have, especially any status columns that show stages like not started, in progress, or done. These will be important because the progress feature uses that status information to calculate completion. Next, add a progress tracking column to the board. This column is designed to give you a visual percentage of how far each item has moved toward completion. In many cases, it appears as a progress bar or percentage value, which makes it much easier to understand project status at a glance without manually calculating anything yourself. After adding the column, choose which status columns should affect the progress calculation. This part matters because the progress result is based on the columns you select. If your board has more than one status column, such as one for overall task stage and another for approval or review, make sure you include the ones that truly reflect progress. Picking the right columns helps keep the calculation meaningful and accurate. Once that's set up, review the progress percentage shown for each item. You'll start to see how Monday.com translates those selected statuses into a completion value. This gives you a fast way to compare tasks, spot items that are nearly finished, and identify work that may still be at an early stage. As work moves forward, update task statuses to reflect what's actually happening. This is the key to keeping the progress column useful. The more consistently statuses are updated, the more reliable your progress tracking will be. If a task moves from working on it to done, for example, the progress calculation should reflect that change. Then check that the progress column updates automatically. One of the biggest advantages of using this feature is that you don't need to manually adjust percentages. Monday.com recalculates the value for you based on the status changes you've made, which saves time and reduces errors. Finally, use the progress result to monitor completion across your board. It can help you quickly understand where things stand, follow overall momentum, and keep your team aligned on what still needs attention. When used consistently, this simple column becomes a very effective way to track progress clearly and efficiently.